Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Blogger with the Google account that owns the blog. Once logged in, go straight to the dashboard and pick the blog you want to edit. Make sure you have owner or admin privileges because only those roles can change display names. If you need to, back up your posts and settings now. This prevents surprises. While you're in settings, note the current display name and visibility options. This helps you confirm the change worked once complete. Now, open Settings and locate User Settings or Profile. This is where Blogger stores the display name that readers see. Click to edit the display name field and type the new admin name. Remember, this is what appears publicly. Save the change, and if Blogger redirects you to your Google profile, follow the prompts there. The name may sync across products. Once done, check a draft post or the theme preview to verify the new name displays as intended. Finish by clearing your browser cache or opening the blog in an incognito window. This shows the live result without cached data. If the new name doesn't appear, make sure your Google account name matches and that profile sync is enabled because Blogger often mirrors that information. If sync still fails, revoke Blogger's access in your Google account and reauthorize it. This forces an update. One tip: wait a few minutes after changes, then refresh. Propagation can take a short while.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.